I gotta treat this other metal. Guys, just a quick update. It's a whole nother night. It was about 103 today. So didn't come out here all day, but y'all can see I came out here to try to get a little bit done. I treated this area, cleaned it up. I put tape around it so I wouldn't get paint on the edges, cause where I gotta weld it. And also the same thing right here. I'm getting ready to treat it a little more back behind there before I cut the piece for that one. I got it right here, that shape, and then this piece is already ready to go. It's only primer on the back of it. This piece to go right here. I'm gonna have to trim it up a little bit, but we'll get that welded in tonight and maybe fix this one tonight, and that'll probably be it. Tomorrow's Monday morning, so you know, back to work. Project gotta get put on hold, guys, but I appreciate y'all supporting and appreciate y'all watching. We'll see how far we get.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Guys, I got that piece of metal behind there perfectly, but the thing is, now I'm trying to make sure this weld is gonna act right. But y'all see I had to tap it with the hammer because it went down too low. I had to move it around. Luckily it moved, so we'll tack it in and we'll knock down the high points. Hopefully this spot will be good. Got her tacked in. The welder is still running like crap. I don't have a gas welder, guys, so I'm just using what I do have. Let's get this sanded down and then we'll knock it down a little bit and see what we got. Not too bad. I'm gonna try to fill in this line right here a little bit more, and that's all she wrote for that hole. So we're good there, guys. I'm kind of running out of time because I want to be in the bed by 11, but we'll look at this one. I tried to go on the inside and see what I could do, but it's gonna be hard because you got the fender well right here. You ain't gonna be able to weld right here. And then the only spot I can see from the inside is like right here where the window is. I'd have to pull the window out, but looking at how deep it is, we could probably get away with welding this flat or over the top a little bit, because we got a big gap right there. We're gonna have to get this back straight anyways, so we'll take our ruler. Matter of fact, so I can show y'all.
Talking about, I don't know.
Alright, I got it. So let's see. So look how much we got. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we got quite a bit to play with before we get this back even. So I think we'll be fine. We can knock it down a little bit, go ahead and weld it on the outside. And like I said, I'm not no expert at this, but we gotta get it done. I already spent too much money on this car, so we gotta get it done. I was looking for my piece of metal. Let's see if that's gonna work. I don't know what I was measuring off of. Alright, we're gonna have to trim this up a little bit. That'll be perfect. Right there, and then, it'll work. I could just trim some off right here on the top, like right here. And then we'll just weld her on in. Probably need to knock it down a little bit. Actually, that's gonna work. I gotta clean that little spot up though, so we'll get good, so it'll stick right. And then I'll knock it in a little bit. Alright guys, this is gonna be a good stopping point. I gotta treat this other metal that I uncovered, so I don't want to just get ahead of myself and not follow the right steps. So yeah, I gotta treat this overnight, and then we'll let that sit. We'll prime around the edges except where we're gonna weld, and then we'll be ready to go. And then this piece came off, so I gotta treat that also so we can fix this back.
5 hours later.
Back at it again. I decided to go ahead and fill in this spot, and I welded in this spot. just to give y'all a little update. Y'all probably didn't want to see me welding that, so I went ahead and knocked it out. That spot looks better than the other one, but we're gonna go ahead and try to fill them in and see how it looks. I already checked it with my ruler. We got plenty of clearance. I don't know if y'all can see the clearance. Yeah, there you go. So we're good there. That one's real good. So we'll get them filled in. Well, the first batch I made was too much hardener. I didn't realize it was still 100 degrees out here. So I had to hurry up and scrape that stuff off, and I used like half as much hardener, and it's taking a while for that to harden up. I mean, it's getting there, but it's taking a while. Y'all see the color difference? And this is still super hot. That's crazy. And this is a fiberglass. Anyway, so what I'm getting to, it's gonna take a while, but we'll probably sand this tomorrow and finish everything up on this panel. I made a stencil for this back piece. I did it with tape and then I transferred it onto the sheet metal. I'm gonna show y'all how this spot looks. Guys, if I can't get this to bend and shape like I need it to do, I'm not a fabricator. I'm gonna go ahead and sheet metal this. I got that piece welded in last night. It's good. Now we gotta fill it in with fiberglass. But this is a little different right here, and really it's just on that curve. The bumper's gonna be right here, but I don't want the rest coming back either, so we're gonna try it, guys. Our piece came out pretty good. I'm kind of actually proud of myself. Yeah, man, look. I just gotta shape it, guys. Man, I'm gonna be able to bend, or I'm gonna weld it up right here at the top. See if I can shape it. But yeah, that'll get rid of all that crap. And then I'll go on the back side and cut this out. I had to use this for a template, and then I'll see what I'll do on the back side. But yeah, looks pretty good, guys. Well, would you look at that? Man, I did a good job, guys. I did a good job on that one. I had cleaned that up a little more, shaped it a little better, and it's like perfect with the body line, because that whole back part is gone. So now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do there. Can y'all see? But yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do there. But I'm happy about the front. I'm gonna see if I can make a piece for right here. Probably tomorrow. Man, I can only do a little bit each day, man, until I'm like on days off. But yeah, we'll make a little piece right here. I'm gonna try to do that instead of doing fiberglass, guys. I'm gonna try to do as much metal work as I can. And then yeah, we'll be I might fill this in here in a little bit, probably off of camera, just so this part will be done. But I won't go all the way to the edge, because I need to work this area, but at least fill this in and have that ready to go. Because I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna probably grease and wax remove it, and I'm gonna fill in this area to that line. Alright guys, we didn't get too many clips, but yes sir, we had little bro over here working on the 1972. Y'all seen him in action on the B-roll, you know what I'm saying, getting it sanded on. Yes sir. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna put this on the same video or a whole nother video, but if it's on a whole nother video, it'll be an intro somewhere in here. Y'all not finna see me today because I'm super tired, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I did on the car off camera. Well, let's start right here. My brother came over, he sanded this down, and then my memory card went dead, and we had a whole wedding and everything all weekend, so didn't get too much done, but we did get fiberglass this area down here. I put some foil on here, hopefully I can get that off, because that's where that little piece goes that holds the molding on. And then fiberglass here. And somebody dropped down in the comments, am I supposed to sand that a little bit before I put the fiberglass filler or not? And then this back part looks, this area looks good. I hate this, it's ugly. But man, that's what I had to do, guys. I mean, it was so basically somebody cut out this whole panel and they went like further back. So I would have had to cut out where they cut out it, like all the way up here to this body line at, and build this whole piece. So I'm not a body man like that. I wasn't gonna attempt that. It'll be 2-3 years trying to build this car. So I'm just gonna do it like this, guys. If I got time today, I'm gonna just sand these spots down, and then we'll hit it with the fiberglass filler, not body filler. We'll bring it up a little bit, sand it back down, and then we'll get our pinholes. And hopefully next day or so we'll be sealing this area off, and then I'm gonna move to the next hard panel. I'm gonna let my brother finish that trunk, and then I'll probably have him do this, and then I'll move to the door. So y'all see this door right here? That's gonna be a challenge, but got the back area scuffed up too. Now we're gonna move on to fiberglass filler. I'm not gonna show me mixing it or nothing like that, guys. So we'll just get right to it. Alright guys, got that last spot filled in. This is not body filler, it's fiberglass filler. Let the camera adjust. It's not perfect because I'm not the best scammer, but we gotta let everything dry. So I don't know if this is a different video or the same video on the quarter fender, but y'all see what's going on. I'm gonna probably hit it with the cheese grater and see if I can just bring them down a little bit tonight. That part's already dry because it's nighttime, but it's still 100 degrees out here. So yeah, we might hit it with the cheese grater, guys, kind of bring it down a hair, and then I might sand it a little bit. But that's where we at. Y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.